Alright, SuburbanBrokeBoyz back with another horrible video. We're about to install some mufflers. Turbo mufflers.
You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
These bad boys.
We're gonna destroy my car.
Guaranteed 5 million horsepower. Okay.
Can we add a sticker to it?
No, we don't do stickers.
We don't do stickers. I don't know if you can see that. It's just running X pipes right now, which is super loud. So we're gonna get rid of that. So we got the Thrush turbos for like $30.
I just tossed that.
Why would you toss my muffler?
Because fuck it.
No. These are $30, okay?
Death wheel time.
We need a
Death wheel. Okay, so we're not using the death blade. We're gonna use the Sawzall.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know what happened with the D.R.E. Yeah.
4.5.
And then, what we're gonna do?
We're going that much farther back then.
Yeah. So double that.
Yeah. Be safe and do 7. Or 7.5. Hold that. I'll hold it and just bring it. That's how we do it around here, boys.
Thrush turbo.
Alright, Jimmy. Yeah! America!
Looks like it's working really well. Alright, we can peel it off now.
Jimmy! Come on, Jimmy.
Go! Hey, Jimmy!
The clean cut.
Actually,
Man, that shit looks clean, bro.
almost clean.
Hey, way cleaner than we planned.
Oh.
Alright, now let's see if this actually
Nice. Alright, broke asses. What's up, broke ass? We're going to take a trip down to old O'Reilly's, am I right, boy?
Yeah!
Yeah, O'Reilly's. We're gonna give Peterson a shout out in this video. Just kidding. no shout out, bitch. This camera's getting really heavy.
Weight reduction.
Dude, TJ's got some big ass arms to be doing this. This is heavy as fuck.
Gentlemen, rev your fucking engines. Oh, well, I knew that was planned. Okay, we're going round 2 here. Go. Stop moving, Nick.
I'm sorry!
Stop. Keep going.
Oh, this is gonna be the impossible angle.
What's up, Chief?
The muffler shop like usual.
Doing some muffler shit.
Yeah, we enjoy that. Alright, both windows just stopped working and Nick's is down.
I'm going to school tomorrow, and these are going to be down all the way. Oh. I love that shit, though. Alright, turn this shit off. I'm pissed.
I'm not turning anything off.
This is America.
Later, Sick.
Later, skater!
My windows still don't work, though.
Bye, alligator.
Just walking.
You guys being dudes.
Yeah, I'm going to be here like every day. See this is car parts.
From a V8 5-liter Mustang 93 LX.
Oh, do you have this on record right now?
No, dude, never.
Where are we going again? Oh, yeah. In the pipes.
Dude, Pepboys got.
Oh,
Shit.
Hey, come on, patient. Old patient here just ran the fuck right into me.
Remember, we need to get 2 of them.
Good game, baby.
Oh.
Good game, baby.
Wait, let's just read it. Let's be men.
I know, I was reading it, and then I was like, Tom.
That.
Well, I mean, why would we do that? That doesn't make sense.
Ooh. Nick, do you like what's going on right now?
I just want to get this on, dude. It's so loud. I mean, not almost.
Oh, Cade, by the way, just in case you didn't remember, shotgun.
Better than the ones that we usually go to.
Well, I like our little one.
Yeah, Nick! Hey, Nick, let me see those glasses. Yeah. Man, you look cool, man. After waking up from a very relaxing nap in the back of Nicholas's car,
Where's the other one?
I've decided to start filming again. Here we go. Nice job, man.
Thanks, Jimmy.
Caters, you ready to weld now?
Not really. It's not going to be grounded. Okay, it's grounded.
It didn't work the last 5 times.
It's not strong enough connection. We need a better ground, dude.
Oh, I had that like perfectly.
Okay. The fuck?
Is that aluminum?
So basically, we found out that the little muffler that Nicholas bought is aluminized.
Aluminum doesn't weld!
So we got these cherry bombs, and we added a better coupling.
It's a turbo thruster.
Sorry,
by the way.
turbo thruster from Cherry Bomb, whatever the hell. So we didn't think it was gonna hold well. It holds perfectly under there.
Looks mean.
Daddy's Mustang. I love my daddy though.
Well, just
You have diabetes at this point, dude.
To the beat. It's
Dennis, here it comes.
That's your third dessert today. This looks nice though.
11/16.
I'm gonna hold.
Those legs, dude. I just ripped my pants so much more, dude. Oh my god. I think it's straight. It looks straight to me from here.
The deep socket, or you're gonna have to get an open end?
740. We started this a long time ago.
About 2 days ago. Thrust turbos.
Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect.
Just started it. He knows it's perfect though.
It's not very loud, but
Alright, test drive time. Shotgun.
I call backseat middle right.
No drone! Who's the genius? Who's the genius?
Oh shit, Cade.
0 drone.
I mean it's really quiet, but yeah.
Huh?
Real quiet, but I like it. It'll get louder.
It's still there. Like that sound's still there.
Yeah.
You're still snap crackle and popping too.
Once they get that fan taken out, it'll sound good.
How do you feel, Nicholas?
Well right now I'm bummed because I can't hear my like raw V8 anymore, but you know what? I'm not gonna get pulled over my
And
cops.
what liter is that, by the way?
5 liter V8!
There we go. All right, Nick, what are we doing here?
I don't want to talk about it.
I can hear the exhaust.
Let us out and see if we can hear from outside. Drop us off big way.
This bagger's about to get mauled. Watch out. Dude, that sounds fucking sick. Am I right? That sounds fucking sick. What's up, squeal ass?
Drift it, do it.
Wow!
Immediately looks back at the camera like immediate. Like mid-drift.
Nicholas?